Hello everyone, my name is Margaret Raphael from Educare, Tanzania, and today I'm going to teach on economics, topic number 1, the subject matter of economics. So, the subject matter of economics. Economic as a subject, it deals with all the problems which arise in the following activities. These problems including production, consumption, distribution, exchange, allocation of scarce economic resources, and human wants and their satisfaction. Now let's start with aspect number 1, production. Generally, production refers to the process of creating goods and provision of services for personal use. But in economics, production refers to the creation of goods and provision of services for exchange in order to satisfy human wants. That simply we say is a creation of utility through exchange. Now we can take example to the farmer. Let's say a farmer who deals with producing crops for personal use, and another one is the farmer who produces crops for selling. That's we say cash crops. Huyu mkulima wa kwanza tunasema sisi kwenye uchumi hatumtambui kwa sababu anakuwa hana impact kwenye kuchangia kitu chochote katika mtu mmoja mmoja. That means kwamba atakuwa ana produce lakini anatumia yeye kama yeye. Means atakuwa anatumia ardhi ya kwake, mazao atakayozalisha atatumia mwenyewe, kwa hiyo atakuwa ana impact yoyote kwenye uchumi. Lakini tukichukua mfano wa pili, huyu mkulima ambaye anatengeneza cash crops, that means kwamba atakuwa anatumia ardhi. So kwenye ardhi hapa tunaona atachangia, atalipia rent. Kwa hiyo ile rent italeta impact kwenye uchumi. Pia huyu atatumia labor wanaleta pia impact kwenye uchumi. Atatumia pia capital and so forth. Kwa hiyo in uchumi sisi tunaangalia mtu ambaye ana produce kwa ajili ya kufanya exchange. Kama hakuna exchange, that means hakuna uchumi. So economics enables producers to solve all the problems affecting problems. Ambazo kwenye problems hizo tuna what to produce. Kwamba uchumi utaangalia ni aina gani ya bidhaa tutengeneze. Another thing is how to produce. That's the process, procedures and methods involved in production process. And another problem is how much to produce, the quantity of goods to be produced. Kwenye quantity hapa you might see kwamba tukitengeneza quantity nyingi, let's tuangalie kwamba tunatengeneza quantity nyingi, lakini tuangalie demand ya watu ikiwa ndogo, so means tutakuwa tuna surplus. Kwa hiyo inamsaidia producer ajue how much to produce. For whom to produce? Tuna produce kwa customers wa aina gani? Let's say tuna produce these goods kwa watoto. Maybe tuna produce aina hii ya bidhaa kwa wakubwa and so forth. Lakini pia kuna when to produce, the time. Kwenye time tunaangalia kwenye production inaafektiwa na time by means kwamba huwezi ukaproduce mfano miamvuli wakati wa joto. Lazima tuangalie kama kuna kipindi cha joto tutaangalia vitu vingine. Maybe kwenye joto tutaproduce drinks na maybe kwenye baridi tutaproduce miamvuli, majaketi and so forth. Lakini pia where to produce, the place, location. Okay. Now we move to the second aspect, that is consumption. Consumption refers to the use of commodity or goods and provision of services. So economics solve problems which affect the process of consumption due to scarce of economic resources by enabling consumers to make choice of what type of good to be produced or services to consume with their limited income. Now, aspect number 3, distribution. Generally, distribution refers to the process of transferring goods from one place to another, that is from area of production to the area of consumption. So you can see kwenye distribution tuna some stages za kudistribute hizi bidhaa. Tunaweza tukaanzia from producer, tukazidistribute kwa wholesaler, tukapeleka kwa retail na consumer. Lakini tunaweza pia tukaluka hii stage tukapeleka moja kwa moja kwenye retailers then consumer. Lakini pia tunaweza tukadistribute from producer tukapeleka direct commodity kwa consumers. Lakini in economics, distribution tunasema kwamba is the process of rewarding or making payments to the factors of production from total output produced or income generated by the firm. As we said before kwamba kwenye uchumi tunahesabia kuna production kama kukiwa kuna exchange. So kwenye exchange ni lazima tutagenerate some monies au tunasema pale pia kwenye production tuna generate output. So ile process of making payments to the factors of production ndio tunasema distribution in economics, whereby hapa tuna reward vitu kama land. Kwenye land tuna reward land, kwenye labor reward wages, na kwenye capital tuta reward interest, na kwa entrepreneur tuta reward profit. So in economics it solves all the problems za kuangalia ni factor gani za production zitapokea kitu gani kama reward ya production. And also number 4, exchange. Exchange refers to the process of buying and selling of goods and services. So in economic, it concerned with all the problems which may arise in the process of making exchange due to scarcity of resources by enabling businessmen or women to decide which kind of goods to exchange in order to minimize the cost and to maximize profit. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, that's Educare Tanzania, and follow us on our Facebook page Educare Tanzania and our Instagram page Educare_TZ. Thank you very much.